In the shadowy world of Cold War espionage, one British operation blurred the lines between peacemaker and provocateur. This is the untold story of Operation Chiffon, MI5's secret gambit to infiltrate, manipulate, and ultimately end Northern Ireland's bloodiest conflict. The year is 1972. Belfast burns as sectarian violence escalates. The IRA's bombings and assassinations claim hundreds of lives, while British forces face accusations of brutality. Amid this chaos, MI5 launches a covert mission so controversial, its full scope remains classified to this day. Codenamed Operation Chiffon, the operation deployed undercover agents deep into IRA strongholds. Their goal? To gather intelligence and sabotage terror plots. But former operatives reveal a darker truth. Chiffon wasn't just about surveillance. It was psychological warfare. Agents posed as militants, infiltrating both Republican and Loyalist groups. They spread disinformation to turn factions against each other. One explosive BBC report exposed how Chiffon operatives ran fake paramilitary cells, staging attacks designed to look like IRA operations. The objective? To discredit the rebels and justify harsher crackdowns. But the most shocking revelation came from a 2013 MI5 whistleblower. We weren't peacekeepers. We were arsonists playing with fire. Declassified files show agents provocateur supplied weapons to both sides, ensuring the conflict burned hotter. Why? To maintain political pressure for military intervention. At the heart of Chiffon lay Foursquare Laundry, a sinister front company. For months, this seemingly innocent service collected garments from Catholic neighborhoods. But hidden in its vans were forensic labs analyzing clothes for gunpowder residue and bloodstains. When the IRA uncovered the ruse in 1972, two MI5 double agents paid with their lives. Their bodies wouldn't be found for 43 years. Yet Operation Chiffon's greatest legacy remains its paradoxical finale. In the 1990s, the same shadow networks that fueled violence became backchannels for peace. Agent Robert, risking court-martial, held clandestine meetings with IRA leaders, planting the seeds for ceasefire talks. These negotiations, built on years of mutual deception, culminated in the 1998 Good Friday Agreement. But at what cost? Former operatives admit to shoot-to-kill policies against unarmed suspects. Families of victims still demand answers about Chiffon's role in unsolved murders. This is the double-edged sword of spycraft, where today's villain might be tomorrow's peacemaker. As Brexit tensions threaten Northern Ireland's fragile truce, the ghost of Operation Chiffon reminds us. In the shadows of war, truth is the first casualty.